Hi, this is Marcel of Strong for Life, and I am very excited to tell you about the upcoming workshops. I'm going to send you information in this post, but I just wanted to explain what's going to be happening. So, Strong for Life in Kalahonda is going to be growing in terms of our team. So we're now going to be having Marie and Sean Hayden, who are specialists in Pilates with Reformer as well as the Egoscue posture assessment. So we're going to be having workshops on that. We've also got Israel, who is a TCM or traditional Chinese medicine acupuncturist, and he's going to be coming on board as well to explain a little bit more about that. And you can also have all your questions answered. You already know that Alshra and we do the personal training with Alshra and we do the physical therapy with me. I'm going to be there on site to answer any of your questions. All you need to do is come along to one of the two workshops. It's just €5 to attend. You do need to let us know that you're coming because we do expect numbers, and we've got limited numbers available, but we're very, very excited about doing it. We can't wait to see you. If you've got any questions, just ping me or WhatsApp directly, okay? Thanks very much. See you soon.